Article 51 of the Constitution is that every accused person has a right to have a dispute resolved by application of the law,
Yes.
by an independent and impartial tribunal. I'm talking about the right to fair hearing, my lord. It is our submission that the proceedings at the Senate violated the petitioner's right to fair hearing, in that the Senate was not impartial, in that the environment was not conducive for fair hearing,
Yes.
that the decision of the Senate was predetermined, and therefore there could not have been justice by Senate, which was supposed to be a neutral arbiter, judicial powers. At paragraph 37 to that 45 of the supplementary affidavit, the court will come across serious allegations of misconduct, violence, mayhem at the Senate, my lord, making it impossible for the petitioner to present her case and plead for justice before Senate. It is only fair, my lord, that this court is given an opportunity to interrogate what transpired and whether the same could have afforded the petitioner a fair hearing. As before a determination is made. Well, on that issue, my lord, you will notice,
Yes.
by looking at paragraph 10 of the affidavit, that we have annexed the Gazette notice from...
Paragraph 10 of the supporting affidavit?
Yes, my lord, of the supporting affidavit.
Yes.
And further paragraph 26 of the supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
I'm talking about annexes KM05 of the supporting affidavit and BKM5 of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. You will come across two communications. One is a Gazette notice from Senate
Yes.
that communicates a decision to impeach the governor before the governor was impeached, before the vote to impeach her.
Just a moment, I'll pause your time.
Thank you, my lord.
You said annexed KM5?
KM5.
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, we have annexed the Gazette notice,
Yes.
and then BKM5 of the supplementary at paragraph 26, we have annexed the communication from Senate to the Speaker of County Assembly of Meru. Both communications, my lord, are dated 20th of August 2024.
Both are dated?
20th